So this morning we're headed to a thing called a hole. Jamaica's full of these holes. They're like caves that have no bottom. They're like bottomless pits. And this is a place where people get rid of their garbage. So we're gonna go check it out. Wait till the end because it's been rumored that there's a dead body down here. Well, inquiring minds gotta know. It was reported to the police a day ago, and it doesn't seem that anyone's bothered to come and see if it's true. And this is what the rains do to the roads in Jamaica. I guess this would be a good place to dump a body. It's definitely back here. This grade. Oh, what do you think? Stay to the left. Mongrel dogs. Lots of mongrel dogs. I smell it. There's definitely something dead, and those are definitely entrails. That's definitely intestine. Get! Ha! That's an animal. That's either a big dog or a pig. That's either a big dog or a pig. These are all entrails. That looks like the picture I saw. That bag there.
Yeah. More back there. Then me look for.
That's an animal. That up there looks like a dog or a pig. How about, where's the hole? Since we didn't find a carcass, let's see about this endless hole. I mean, the way the legs are cut off that or whatever, it just looks like a gutted pig.
This place walk over here, so we see how them throw the rubbish. Push up.
So these holes are all over Jamaica, and if you don't know where you're walking in the bush, you need to be really alert to it. People will tell you that you can very easily drop into one of these and you'll never be found. Oh, you can sort of see a break in the trees over there.
It's just in the middle right there, but I have to get the machete and chop it out so you get a good video of this. That's one thing to have. I chop it out away so you can walk over there, because I don't want to carry through this bush.
I don't want to get any silver ticks, which I've already had two.
Just a little bit closest place, but the hole is right there. Closest place is right there after the wall.
Well, I need to come down here in my boots. This isn't far from where I'm staying right now.
Yeah, right here.
What?
Yeah, right here is a good view. So when we come back, I go chop it out so you can see the hole.
Well, why don't you just let me put your boots on?
No problem. Oh shit. Please.
Short legs are a disadvantage. Okay. Oh, wow. Oh, I see it. Okay. Let's see if I can get you guys a view of it. So it's not a ravine, it's an actual hole that just goes, if you can see the darkness down there, it just goes straight down into the earth. There's so many amazing secrets and culture in Jamaica. I'm always learning and discovering new things.